Today's activity was purchased off of Groupon for $12. Here we meet both the owner and the tour guide of today's journey and his cat Asia. These interns literally asked for our phones and got us some amazing shots. Like this one. It was kind of strange, but they had random lemurs just walking around. And also a tortoise and a pig. And now we're in the big leagues.
All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up there. Give her a chance to eat.
For the pros, it was very unique and cheap, family friendly, and easy to book, also on Groupon. For the cons, not many, just the animals may scare a few. As far as a rating, I would say go for it. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes!